Welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin by showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior. The vehicle itself is a 420D M Sport Gran Coupe and is presented in the carbon Schwartz metallic. And alongside that, of course, also features a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. We've also had the 19-inch alloys fully refurbished in the Bi-Orbit Grey, as you can see there, now all looking very nice, and they are the 442M alloy wheels at the front. You'll be able to see it's a 2017 plate alongside the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside the YNC Mperformance decals. And as you can see, that carbon Schwartz metallic is a very nice colour indeed. And you'll see around the other side that it can often be mistook for of a darker black, but it is indeed a more of a blue colour. Moving on to the interior, where we have got the black Dakota leather in this car, which comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and again all is in very nice condition throughout. Does come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. In terms of your rear seats, again all in fantastic condition, and it is a 3-seat Isofix rear bench and a centre folding armrest. We've of course also got our darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading round to the very rear of the vehicle, again just giving you a chance to have a look at the 19-inch alloys that's just been freshly refurbished. On this car we've added a satin rear boot spoiler and high gloss rear diffuser, as you can see there. And you of course get a automatic opening and closing tailgate on the Gran Coupes, which then reveals a very large boot space, which can be made even larger thanks to the fact you can remove both the top and lower partial shelves alongside split folding seats. At the other side of the car there you can just about see the difference between the darker colours of the carbon Schwartz metallic, and of course it's a very nice colour combined with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle and just run yourselves through some of the major talking points inside. So of course you're greeted by the lovely professional wired navigation and media screen. We'll get the car started up and just run yourselves through a couple of the features. There is of course the navigation view. We've got Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, music collection, the AUX and USB inputs of course. Heading back to the main menu, in just 1 second I'll go across and take a look at the service requirements and service history of the car. Down here we've got the dual climate control along with the switches for the heated seats. This vehicle has covered just over 95,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this video you've been able to see it's in superb condition throughout. It also comes with the cruise control, the speed limiter, and both the voice and volume controls, all on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel, which again matches the rest of the car for being in superb condition. In terms of the car's service requirements, you'll see there that the next service is not due for 8,000 miles, and we have got extensive BMW service history with this vehicle. So as you can see, that will be the first service, and we'll go all the way up to the most recent visit to BMW at 93755, which is for a brake fluid and inspection. The time before that was in fact for a full major service, which is of course great peace of mind for any potential next owner of the car, as it does of course mean that all that's due next in 8,000 miles time is a very basic oil and oil filter change. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch the walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you are requiring any further information upon the vehicle, please remember that in the description you'll find a link to our website, where you can of course view funding options, prices, amongst much more for this car, along with all of our others. Again, thank you, take care and goodbye.